Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make syrup for canning peaches. First, understand that syrup helps preserve the peach's natural flavor and texture, making them delicious for months. We'll cover various syrup strengths, from very light to heavy, allowing you to customize sweetness. The core ingredients are simple: sugar and water. Choosing the right syrup strength is key. For a very light syrup, combine 1 cup of sugar with 4 cups of water. A light syrup uses 2 cups of sugar to 4 cups of water. For a medium syrup, use 3 cups of sugar with 4 cups of water. Finally, a heavy syrup requires 4 cups of sugar to 4 cups of water, offering the sweetest option. To prepare your syrup, combine the measured sugar and water in a saucepan. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves. Do not boil excessively, just ensure clarity. Once dissolved, remove from heat. It's important to cool the syrup thoroughly before pouring it over your prepared peaches in jars. For the best results, consider using filtered water to enhance the natural peach flavor. Remember, you can always adjust the sugar quantity slightly to match your personal sweetness preference. Always ensure your syrup is completely cool before pouring it over the peaches in your canning jars. Finally, process your filled jars promptly according to your canning recipe for safe, delicious peaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.